So good morning, 7th class. Yesterday I have given you the test, okay, subjective test, and I hope every one of you have attempted it. Okay. So let us discuss the answers today, right? Our first question was name 4 basic or structural tags of HTML. Beta 4 basic or structural tags are HTML, head, title, and body. Okay. The 4 basic structural tags are HTML, head, title, and body. Whenever you are writing the name of the tag in your answers, make sure that tag name is enclosed in the angle brackets. The name of tag must be enclosed inside the angle brackets. Do not write like this. This is the wrong way to write the tag. Tag name always and always to be enclosed in the angle brackets. Okay. Clear to all? Then name 3 attributes of body tag and define any one attribute. You were asked the name of any 3 attributes, but you were to define any one. So various attributes of body tag are BG color, background, text, A-link, V-link, link, left margin, top margin. Okay, these are the various attributes of your body tag. Now, one by one, I will define each and every attribute. Listen carefully. BG color beta stands for background color. It is used to display color in the background of the web page. Okay. Don't give half or partial definition. Complete definition, and it should clearly reflect the meaning in a proper form. Okay. Don't just give the rough idea. Define the term clearly, properly. It should reflect the clear meaning of the term. Okay, once again I repeat, BG color stands for background color. It is used to display the color in the background of the web page. Okay. Then background attribute. Background attribute is the attribute of body tag that helps to insert an image in the background of the web page. Then is text. Text is the attribute of body tag that specifies the color of the text to be displayed in the web page. Then you have A-link. A-link stands for active link. It specifies the color of the active link. V-link. V-link stands for visited link. It specifies the color of the link which we have visited. Okay. It specifies the color of the link which we have visited. Then link. Link is the attribute of body tag that specifies the color of the hyperlink. The attribute that specifies the color of the hyperlink. Okay. Then left margin. Left margin attribute of body tag specifies the amount of space to be left from left margin. Top margin specifies the amount of space to be left from the top margin. Okay. Then we have full form over here. HTML, hypertext, markup, language. This was the full form of HTML. Beta, if your spellings are wrong, half mark will be deducted. In the full form question, if your spellings are wrong, half mark will be deducted. So be particular with respect to spelling. Paragraph. Okay. P tank stands for paragraph. Then is BR, break or line break. Then is HR, horizontal rule. Okay. HR stands for horizontal rule. Then is SUP, superscript. SUP is superscript. Then is SUB, subscript. SUB stands for subscript. Clear to everyone? Yes. Up till here, am I clear with all the answers? Any problem to any child? All right. Then this is the question of identification. Option is given to you. You are to identify whether the option is a tag or it is an attribute. Right? So body, it is a tag. BG color, it is an attribute. Paragraph, it's a tag. Align, it's an attribute. Color, again attribute. Face, again attribute. Okay? Am I clear to all? Now, name 3 attributes of font tag with a suitable example. Beta, this question has 2 parts. Firstly, the examiner is asking you the name of 3 attributes. Then in the second part, examiner is asking for a suitable example too. Okay? So how we will attempt this question? 3 attributes of font tag are face, size, color. Okay? Face, size and color. These are the 3 attributes of font tag. And a suitable example, font, face equal to Arial, size equal to 5, color equal to red. Clear to all? This is the suitable example of your font tag. Then how many heading elements are there? Name the highest and the lowest heading element. Also name the attribute of heading element. 3 questions combine into 1 question. First part of the question. How many heading elements are there? There are 6 heading elements. First answer. Name the highest and the lowest. Highest is H1. Lowest is H6. Okay. Third part. Also name the attribute of heading element. Attribute of heading element is align. Clear? It is align. Right? Question contains 3 parts. In 3 separate lines, mention your answer. All right. Coming to the command-based questions. Coming to the command-based questions. To display yellow color in the background of the web page. To display yellow color in the background of the web page. Body BG color equal to yellow. Body BG color equal to yellow. Am I clear to all? Yes, class, am I clear? All right. To display the text computer test in red color, font Arial, size 5. So here we have font size equal to 5, face equal to Arial, color equal to red. Close the font tag, write your text computer test and close the font tag. ये आप ऐसे कर लो, ये देखो. Have you got it? Check it out. How many were correct? Honestly, raise your hand honestly, those who have attempted the test and those who were correct in this answer. Okay. Any doubt up till here? Any difficulty up till here? Any difficulty? Only raise your hand if you have any difficulty. Otherwise, lower down your hand. If any child has any difficulty, only then raise your hand. Yes, Kanav Sani, please unmute yourself. Okay, he has no doubt. Now coming to the C part. Now this is the case of super and subscript, but as per the question, only superscript. So X superscript 2 superscript closes, then plus sign, then Y superscript 2 superscript closes, then plus X square Y square, X superscript 2 superscript closes, then Y superscript 2 superscript closes. Clear to all? Am I clear to all? This is how you were supposed to attempt your test. Clear to everyone? I hope all the answers are clear. Entire discussion is clear to each one of you. Still any doubt, you can ask me by raising your hand. I will clarify your doubt. Okay. Still you have any doubt, you'd let me know. I will clarify your doubt. All right. So that was about your subjective test. Okay. Now proceeding towards the next part of your revision, that is your tables. Is the notepad file visible to everyone? Yes, class, is the notepad file visible? All right. So today I am going to start the revision of tables, right? So starting with the HTML tag, followed by the head tag, then inside the head tag, we have title tag. I am giving the heading tables. I am closing the title tag. I am closing the head tag. I am taking the background color as silver. Okay. Now, in simple terms, if I want to define tables, what is a table? Beta, table means arrangement of data in terms of rows and columns. The data has been arranged in terms of rows and columns. Horizontal are the rows, vertical are the columns. And where the row and column they strike, that area is known as cell. The location, the area where row and column they strike together, that location, that area is known as cell. We enter the data inside the cell. Okay. So when we are to create table in HTML, we make use of 4 basic tags of table. Beta, listen the question carefully. Basic tags of table. One question is basic tags of HTML. These are the 4 basic tags of HTML. HTML head, title and body. Now I am asking you the basic tags of table. And the basic tags of table are table tag, caption tag, tr tag, td tag, th tag. These are the 5 basic tags of table or 5 structural tags of table. Okay. So in order to create table, we make use of table tag, right? The first attribute of table tag is border. Border attribute specifies the size or the thickness of the border which will be drawn around the table. You have to take the border attribute. It is compulsory to use the border attribute, otherwise your table will not be displayed properly. Coming next is the caption tag. Beta, what is the role of caption tag? Caption tag is used to specify short title that will be displayed above the table. जैसे आप अपनी क्लास के डिस्प्ले बोर्ड को इमेजिन करो, वहां पे टाइम टेबल का चार्ट लगा होता है और उसके ऊपर क्या लिखा होता है? टाइम टेबल. इन्वेंट्री चार्ट पर क्या लिखा होता है? इन्वेंट्री. होमवर्क चार्ट पे क्या लिखा होता है? होमवर्क शेड्यूल. They are the title, short title which you have given to your tables, and this short title will be appearing just above the table. So how to give the short title to the table? By using the caption tag. I am taking the title data. The title of my table is data. Okay. Now I am going to create first row. Row by row you have to move. See my hand in the window. Like this you are to move. Row by row. First row, then second row, then third row. Don't go column wise. Move row wise. In order to create the row, we make use of tr tag. TR tag stands for table row. The full form of TR tag is table row. Then enter key. Inside the table tag, you will create the cell. The number of cells you want in one row, the number of times you will take the TD tag. आप एक रो में जितने सेल्स चाहते हो उतनी बार आपको टीडी टैग कंसिडर करना है. The data of the table is actually entered in the cell with the help of TD. TD stands for table data. TD stands for table data. TD opening tag, I am writing the name of the color, red. Close the TD tag. This is the first cell of the first row. पहली रो का पहला सेल, पहली रो का पहला सेल, पहली रो का दूसरा सेल, ग्रीन. पहली रो का दूसरा सेल, थर्ड cell of the first row, third cell of the first row, then fourth, cell of the first row, पहली रो का चौथा सेल. Now here I close the TR. This is my one row. This is my first row and one row which contain 4 cells. How to create the data cells? With the help of TD tag. What is the full form of TD tag? Table data. What is the full form of TR? Table row. How to create row in the table? With the help of TR tag. Okay. Now select it, right click, copy, and paste. Now you can make changes here. Blue, oh sorry, blue is okay. Orange, lime, aqua, maroon. Okay. सेकेंड रो के 4 सेल, सेकेंड रो के 4 सेल. Then third, again copy paste, make changes. Lemon, cream, white, and black. Now anyone can tell me how many total rows are there and how many total columns are there? If you have understood this structure, you will be very much clear to tell me how many rows, how many columns. Yes, Bhavya, unmute yourself.
Sir, 3 rows and column 4.
Very good, shabash. 3 rows, column 4. 3 rows and 4 columns. Okay. Now here I end my table and I close the table tag. I close the body tag. I close the HTML tag. Right now I am not making any formatting in the table. I have created a very simple table. No formatting I have done. Very, very simple table I have created. Okay. So let us save it. Click on File menu. Click on Save option. And under the Documents, you give the name of the table, 7th C table 1 dot HTML. Okay. Now I open the browser view to show you the content of your table. Yeah, this is the question. Open with Google Chrome. Yes, beta, please check it. I increase the zoom level. Check it, all of you. All of you, please check it carefully. I change the background color. I am giving the background color as green. Okay. Cream is not working properly, so browser has displayed some other color. I give the color white only. Okay, I am keeping white color only. Yeah, check it out. See the caption. See the caption just above the table. See the caption just above the table. I change the caption. I change the caption. Color's name. Okay. Check it out. Right? This is just the beginning of the table. Lot many changes, lot many things I will discuss with you. Now I am showing you the coding. अच्छा ये देखो हमारी मूवमेंट कैसे है. हमने ऐसे चलना है. पहले फर्स्ट रो क्रिएट होगी. जब फर्स्ट रो क्रिएट हो जाएगी, then we will create the second row. Then we will create the third row. Never come like this. पहले रेड, फिर ऑरेंज, फिर लेमन. वो तो आप कॉलम वाइज चल रहे हो ना, फिर दैट एंटायर क्वेश्चन विल गो रॉन्ग. ओके, नाउ केयरफुली सी एंड टेल मी what is the alignment of the data right now. What is the default alignment of the data in the table? Is it left, right, center, or justify? Yes, Suhana, unmute yourself.
Is left.
Left. By default, the data is on the left side. You can bring your data on the right side, on the center, as per your convenience. Now check the color of the border. Check the color of the border. It is gray. By default, it is gray. Now you can specify color to the border also. In order to provide color to the border color equal to blue. The attribute is border color. See the spelling. No space is there. No space. One single word. Border color. And give the name of any color you want for your border. Specify the name of any color that you want for your border. Check it out. Have you noticed? You can change the color. Green. Check it out. Is it okay? Yes, 7C, is it okay? All right. Now here you have given the color to the border of the table. You can provide color to the background of the table. Okay, first of all, tell me, what is the color of the background of the web page? What is the color of the background of the web page? Yes, Nitya, unmute yourself.
White.
Very good. Shabash, Nitya. White. You can also give background color to the table also. How? Click here in the opening table tag, BG color. The way you give BG color in the body tag, you can specify the background color of the table by giving BG color attribute inside the table tag equal to pink. The background color of my table is pink. Let us see the browser view. Check it out. All of you, please check it out. Clear to everyone? Prerna, you want to ask something? Please unmute yourself, Prerna. Prerna, unmute yourself if you want to ask something. Or please lower down your hand if you don't want to ask something. Okay. Now I'm changing the background color to aqua. See, the color changes to aqua. Clear to everyone? Now, you can increase the height and width of your table. You can increase the height and width of your table. How you can increase the height and width of your table? Click in the opening tag of table. Give the attribute width and give the value 100, 150, 200, whatever value you want. I am giving the value 250. Okay. See the change that has come inside the table. See the change which has come inside the table. Have you noticed? Now very easily you can see the alignment. Now you can easily see the alignment that data is by default left aligned in the table. Data is by default left aligned in the table. Now I am going to do one thing. Up till here, am I clear to all of you? Whatever I have taught you today, is it okay to all of you? Only one thumb is raised. Suhana's thumb. Nitya. Bhavya. Rishita. Harshia. Puranjay, you are not in the class today. So why your thumb is not raised, bache? Bani, Jasmine, Arjun, Nishchay Joshi, Kiratpal. No response is coming from your side. Now I am giving one attribute here, align equal to center. Whenever you will give align attribute in the table tag, whenever you will give align attribute inside the table tag, it will bring the table in the center of the web page. It will not affect the data of the table. ये पूरे टेबल को सेंटर में ले आएगा, लेकिन टेबल के डाटा पर इसका कोई इफेक्ट नहीं होगा. It will not affect the data of the table. See, data is still on the left side. Data is still on the left side. I can increase the width. You can see it. Data is still on the left side. Only the table structure has come in the center of the page. Okay? Am I clear to everyone? Yes, class? Any questions, any doubt in the table lecture? All right.